Starting off at number 5, we have the Brunswick T-Zone Deep Space Bowling Ball. This is a fantastic option for beginners or anyone looking for a dependable spare ball. Its low hook potential makes it ideal for extremely dry lane conditions, and it's perfect if you want something that rolls straight and true. With its high-gloss polish finish and indigo swirl design, it looks as good as it performs. When it comes to design and build quality, the T-Zone Deep Space is lightweight and robust. At just over 10 pounds, it's easy to handle, especially for kids or new bowlers. While it's not designed for high-performance hook shots, it excels at providing consistent, predictable rolls, which is exactly what you'd want in a spare ball. Plus, its 1-year manufacturer warranty adds an extra layer of confidence. As for value, this ball is an absolute steal at just $62.94, making it a budget-friendly choice for casual players. However, advanced bowlers may find it limiting due to its low hook potential. Overall, the Brunswick T-Zone is a reliable and affordable choice for beginners or anyone looking to add a dedicated spare ball to their arsenal. At number 4, we have the Hammer Bubblegum Vibe Bowling Ball. This ball is as striking in appearance as it is in performance. Its vibrant hot pink design will stand out on the lanes, but don't let its playful looks fool you. It's all business when it comes to performance. The Bubblegum Vibe features the HK22 CT Max Pearl cover stock, which offers a smooth glide through the front of the lane and delivers a sharp, angular reaction on the back end that crushes the pins. The ball's core is the classic Vibe core, known for its smooth and predictable motion, making it suitable for a wide range of bowling styles. The shiny finish, achieved through a combination of Saya Air Micropad and Crown Factory compound, ensures that it glides effortlessly on medium to dry lane conditions. At 14 pounds, it's a manageable weight for most bowlers, providing a good balance between power and control. While the price isn't currently available, the Bubblegum Vibe offers great versatility and strong back-end performance, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced bowlers who want a ball that performs well without being overly aggressive. Its playful yet powerful design makes it a fun and competitive choice. However, beginners might find the back-end reaction a bit challenging to control at first. Coming in at number 3 is the Hammer Arctic Vibe Bowling Ball. If you're looking for a ball that combines style and performance, the Arctic Vibe delivers on both fronts. Its striking snow and purple color scheme is sure to turn heads, while its HK22 base cover stock with CT Max hybrid additives provides a smooth, strong, and continuous motion throughout the lane. This ball is built for versatility and consistency, making it a favorite among bowlers with a wide range of styles. The core of the Arctic Vibe is none other than the legendary Vibe core, which is renowned for its predictable motion and adaptability. The ball's 500, 1000, and 1500 Sia Air Micropad finish, paired with the Crown Factory compound, ensures a clean and polished surface that performs exceptionally well on medium to dry lane conditions. At 15 pounds, it's slightly heavier, offering more power and pin carry for bowlers who like to pack a punch. The Arctic Vibe is perfect for bowlers who want a mid-performance ball that can adapt to different lane conditions while maintaining a smooth, controlled motion. Its versatility is a major plus, but it might not provide enough hook potential for those who need a more aggressive ball. Overall, it's a reliable choice for intermediate players looking to expand their arsenal. At number 2, we have the Hammer Black Widow 3.0 Bowling Ball. The Black Widow series is legendary, and the 3.0 continues that legacy with upgraded features and a striking black and orange design. This ball is equipped with the gas mask core, a staple in the industry known for its versatility and outstanding performance. The HK22 cover stock with aggression solid additives provides a strong, controlled motion that's perfect for medium to heavy oil conditions. Its 500, 1000, and 2000 Sia Air Micropad finish ensures a smooth, matte surface that grips the lane for consistent reaction. In terms of performance, the Black Widow 3.0 excels at creating a predictable hook and exceptional pin carry. At 14 pounds, It's designed for bowlers who want power without sacrificing control. The ball is backed by a 2-year limited warranty, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. Priced at $169.95, the Black Widow 3.0 offers incredible value for bowlers who want a high-performance ball that can handle a variety of conditions. It's a fantastic choice for intermediate to advanced bowlers, but beginners might find it a bit too aggressive for their needs. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to make a statement on the lanes. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Hammer Black Widow Mania Bowling Ball. This premium ball redefines back-end reaction and pin carry, making it a must-have for serious bowlers. The Black Widow Mania features the iconic gas mask core, paired with the HK22 pearl cover stock and cohesion additives. This combination provides unmatched back-end hook potential and the ball's 500, 1000, and 1500 SIA air finish. Topped with Crown Factory compound, ensures a flawless, shiny surface that screams performance. In terms of build quality, the Black Widow Mania is a masterpiece. Its cobalt and black color scheme is sleek and professional, while the 14-pound weight makes it approachable for a wide range of bowlers. The ball's back-end reaction is explosive, making it ideal for medium to heavy oil conditions. If you're looking to dominate the lanes with powerful hooks and consistent pin carry, this is the ball for you. Priced at $174.95, it's the most expensive option on this list, but the performance justifies the price. Advanced bowlers will appreciate its versatility and power, while newer players may find it a bit too aggressive. If you're serious about your game and want a top-tier ball, the Hammer Black Widow Mania is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.